Hey, what's up? This is Khalid and welcome to After Effects class. And here is today I want to show you how to work with new version of Trapcode Particular. Let's start. Hey guys, if you want to learn After Effects Masterclass course from basic to advanced, plus 25 plugins, projects, plus download, 7 hours course, what you will learn, course content, 41 lectures. Don't forget, the link is in video description. Enjoy the course quality. Create a new solid right here, particular. So let's go to effects. Let's go to red giant Trapcode particular. Select particular. This particular is 2023. It means the latest version of particular for update After Effects. There is Adobe After Effects and here is particular. Let's play a little bit. The first thing, if you wanna work faster, just go to render, change your acceleration to GPU. If your GPU is high performance, then processor, select the CPU. No matter which one you want to use. I want to use central process unit because my processor is faster than graphics card. Take a look here. CPU, 28 core, 56 processor. And my GPU is just one slot RTX 2080 Super. Take a look. There is faster acceleration. So, very big change in particular is the first important thing. Environment is new. Wind, gravity, and air turbulence is moved from physics to create new parameters by environment name and added to here. You can control your particles wind by going to environment section and control here. So, and next, physics simulation is just the bounce and meander flocking fluid. These 4 options is new. And displays control your air turbulence from here, spherical field, and motion path. How to work with this? I have the next course or tutorial on YouTube. So my next plan is how to work with physics simulations. Let's go to Kaleidospace. Kaleidospace is the most important with global controls. Okay, the most big change in show system. In this version, you can add 16 system of particles. Go to emitter. Emitter is the same of the old version. But now I want to show you a sample of the fluid. How to work fluid. Very easy to show you. Let's go to designer. Let's import the preset of the new version of Trapcode. That is, let's find pen battle. Select this one and apply. Take a look. There is 2 different particles. If you play from the start, there is 2 particles. It means the red particle created by 2 systems, system 2 and 3. Turn off these 2 systems, there's no red particles. If you turn on back, but the blue particle is created in primary system. Turn off, play, there is no matter. So now, if you turn on the primary system, if you select primary system, there is physics simulation, use fluid motion. It means When you play, these two particles touch together, like this. If you turn off, take a look what happened. The fluid system between these two particles is gone off. If you turn on, take a look. There is two particles, fluid physics system is on. Okay, the big change in this project, let's go to first primary system, go to emitter. Take a look, emitter behavior is continuous. But if you go to system 2, take a look, continuous. But in system 3, go to emitter, there is different. Parent system is system 2 linked, the system 3 is linked with system 2. Emitter from parent behavior is continuous. And there is emitter type is from parent system. Let's go to primary system, select, there is normal. In system 2, let's go to emitter, normal, but system 3 is the final. Take a look, continuous, link it to system 2, and emitter type with system 3 is emitter from parent system. Okay guys, don't worry about this. I have next class to work with physics simulation. So about Kaleido space, global controls to creating the best project of particulars. This was a small change introduction about Particular 2023. Thank you for watching. Have a good time. Good luck.